Okay, the most difficult part of this process is
with artistic landscaping, we'll bring your beautiful dreams to life.
our plan is to get this walkway done today, and then we're going to get the burn soil in, and we've got the topsoil coming. So we're basically going to get this job pretty much knocked off today. Maybe not 100% complete, but we're going to start working on this patio right now and walkway, so we're going to do that right now. Okay, the most difficult part of this process is trying to make sure we've got enough bricks and to fit them in and play the game so that we don't have a lot of lines. We're trying to avoid lines, so we try to break them up as often as we can.